Now, we have seen in class 9th, if we have an equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, this is a linear equation. Why it is called linear equation? Because power of x is 1, power of y is 1. Okay, linear equation means when we will plot this graph, we'll get a straight line. If I plot this graph, I'll get this graph as this way. Any line I can get in xy plane, but it will be a straight line. Okay, so this is y dash x dash. This is positive x-axis, this one is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, and this is negative y-axis. Okay, so when we have this equation and I plot this equation here, okay, this equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then what is the solution of the equation? Every point on this line is solution of the equation. So when we have only one line, we can say that there are infinite solutions because there are infinite points lying on a line. Okay. Now, in class 10th, we have pair of linear equations in two variables. That means we have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Okay. Now, if we have two equations, that means when we'll plot the graph, we'll have two lines. Okay. So if there are two lines, these two lines can be either intersecting, or these two lines can be parallel, or these two lines can be coincident. Coincident means दोनों lines एक के ऊपर एक ही lie करेंगी. These are intersecting lines. Okay. These are parallel lines, and these are coincident lines. Okay. If lines are intersecting, how many points they have in common? ये दोनों lines के common कितने points हैं? One. Okay, so only one point जहाँ पे ये दोनों intersect करते हैं, सिर्फ यही point है. तो इस केस में कितने solution होंगे? Only one solution. This is called a condition of unique solution. Because ये जो point है, दोनों equation को solve करके ये point निकालेंगे और इसको बोलते हैं unique solution. If two lines are parallel, there will be no point in common. So this is the case of no solution. Okay. When two lines are there and both are lying one above the another, there are infinite points which are in common for both. So there are infinite solutions. Suppose we have two lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Then if these two lines are intersecting, that means they have unique solution. The condition for this is a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Okay. Now, if these two lines are parallel, that means the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the case of no solution. And if these lines are coincident, then the condition is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. This is the case of infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now, suppose we have question number exercise 3.2. I am discussing question number 2 just to check what type of solution it is having. Suppose exercise 3.2 question number 2, second question, first part. On comparing the ratios, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at a point or are parallel or coincident. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. सेकेंड है 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. ठीक है, तो हमको ये चेक करना है कि ये व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सोल्यूशन दे आर हैविंग. तो सबसे पहले जब हमने जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन लिखी थी a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, will compare the coefficients. ठीक है, तो a1 equals to this, b1 equals to this and c1 equals to this. So I can write a1 equals to 5, b1 equals to -4 and c1 equals to 8. Now similarly a2 is equal to this, a2 equals to 7, b2 equals to 6 and c2 equals to -9. c2 equals to -9. Now we'll check a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is -4 by 6, that is equal to -2 by 3. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, तो अगर ये कंडीशन आ जाती है a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, case of unique solution. Okay, it is directly the case of unique solution. 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals to 0. So a1 equals to 9, b1 equals to 3 and c1 equals to 12, a2 equals to 18, b2 equals to 6 and c2 equals to 24. a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, that is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the case of a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Okay, so this is the case of coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay, so it has infinite many solutions. Is it clear till? Okay, तो ये याद रखना है कि यूनिक सोल्यूशन है तब कंसिस्टेंट पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन है, पैरेलल लाइंस है, ओके, या नो सोल्यूशन है देन इनकंसिस्टेंट पेयर, एंड when coincident lines are there or infinite many solutions are there, then also it is consistent pair of equation. Okay, so basically inconsistent कब है? जब parallel है lines that time, or when no solution is there, then it is inconsistent pair. Okay, so there are three methods to solve this. So basically first of all, broad classification is graphical method is there. In graphical method, we'll draw graphs of both the equation and from graph we'll decide what is the solution. जिस point पे दोनों graphs intersect करेंगे वो उसका solution होगा. इसके अलावा जो methods होती है इनको बोलते हैं algebraic methods. इसमें है substitution method. First method is substitution. Next is elimination. And next is cross multiplication, which is omitted. So only substitution and elimination method we have to do. Okay, so methods of solution of equation. Now we'll take one question and we'll solve by all the methods. I'll explain you all the methods. Okay, so
वो वाली स्लाइड वापस दिखाना.
yes, x plus y equals to 14, x minus y equals to 4. Okay, one question we are taking. This question I have taken actually exercise 3.3 question number 1 first part I have taken. Okay, This question we are going to do by all methods. All methods here means graphical method, substitution method and elimination method. First by graphical method. Okay. In class 9th we have seen how to plot a line. Okay. So first for x plus y equals to 14, what we'll do? We'll make one column, one table. X and y will write here. For this equation I am making this table. When x is 0, जब x यहाँ पे 0 है तो y की क्या वैल्यू होगी? When x is 0, what is value of y in this equation?
14.
Y will be 14. Okay. When y is 0, what will be the value of x?
14.
14. Okay. So 14, 0. Okay. When x is 7, what will be the value of y? When x is 7, y is 14 minus 7. So it is 7. Okay. So we got some values to plot. Now for next one also I am making same table. X and y. When x is 0, what is value of y?
-4.
When x is 0, y is -4. When y is 0, when this y is 0, what will the value of x?
4.
Y is 0. Okay. X is 4. Okay. When x is 2, what is value of y? X is 2.
-6.
2
-6.
y equals to
-6.
y equals to 2 minus 4. X is 2. So 2 minus y equals to 4. Y equals to 2 minus 4. So y is -2. ठीक है. x जब 2 है, y -2 है, तो 4 आ रहा है. क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for plotting the graph, we'll take these values and plot. So I am first of all making, for plotting the graph, we'll make two axes. Okay. So this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, and this is negative y-axis. Okay. We have to take maximum value of x till 14. So we'll make this accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay. Now, similarly, we'll make values for positive x-axis and okay, y also we need till 14. So I am taking a scale of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. On negative side, okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. And here also -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Okay. Now यहाँ पे ये ऐसे लिया है, but ये 1, 2 भी है. If we want, we can mark this way. Okay. Now first we have to plot 0, 14. मतलब x 0 है और y 14 है. x 0 है और y 14 है. Next x 14 है और y 0 है. x 14 है और y 0 है. तो ये वाली लाइन ऐसे प्लॉट हुई. ओके. दिस इज x plus y equals to 14. Now when x is 0, y is -4. x is 0, y is -4.
मैम वो 7 भी तो था x.
वो 7 बीच में आ जाएगा. ये वाली वैल्यू यहाँ आ जाएगी. इसको भी प्लॉट करेंगे तो ये इस लाइन पे आ जाएगा. ओके. When x is 0, y is -4. When x is 4, y is 0. x is 4, y is 0. When x is 2, y is -2. When x is 2, y is -2. Joining these points. So, okay. This way. So, this way, जिस पॉइंट पे ये दोनों इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे, ओके, दैट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन. वी कैन फर्दर एक्चुअली ऐसे होगा, ओके. तो ये जो पॉइंट है इसको हम नोट करेंगे, ये ऐसे और ऐसे, तो ये पॉइंट आएगा 9,5. ओके, so this will be the solution of the equation. Okay, when we'll plot this line, we'll write here the equation of the line x minus y equals to 4, and the point where these two lines will intersect, this will be the solution of the equation. So answer will be equal to 9,5. Okay, if you will do this on your graph paper, you will get answer more accurately. Okay, this is graphical method. Next other method I am going to discuss is substitution method. In substitution method, what we will do, x plus y equals to 14, x minus y equals to 4. एक को इक्वेशन 1 नेम देंगे, एक को इक्वेशन 2 देंगे. इक्वेशन 2 से x की वैल्यू निकाली फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2. ओके, x will be equal to 4 plus y. We have just sent this thing from here to here, so it will be 4 plus y. Substituting x in 1, जिसकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे, जिस इक्वेशन में से निकालेंगे, हमने अगर 2 में से निकाली है वैल्यू, तो उसको दूसरी इक्वेशन 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, x की जगह 4 plus y equals to 14, 2y equals to 14 minus 4, 2y equals to 10, y equals to 5. So we got y equals to 5. X is 4 plus y. So x equals to 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. So x is 9 and y is 5. This is the answer. Is this method clear? Substitution method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, those who are attending this first time, is it clear to them also? Elimination method. In elimination method, elimination का मतलब क्या होता है? Elimination means, okay, reality shows देखते हैं तो उसमें elimination round होता है, उसमें क्या होता है? Somebody is removed.
Yes, ma'am.
So here also the same thing. Elimination means removing the variable. Okay. Now x plus y equals to 14, x minus y equals to 4. जो भी इक्वेशन है उसमें हम पहले उनके कोफिशिएंट्स इक्वल कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे तो ऑलरेडी कोफिशिएंट्स इक्वल है. Here coefficient of x is 1. Here also it is 1. Y is 1 and y is minus 1. Okay. So if it is equal, coefficient is equal. If I add both the equation, I can eliminate y. Adding 1 and 2, if I just do this, I'll remove y, क्योंकि एक प्लस है एक माइनस है और दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल है, दोनों का कोफिशिएंट इक्वल है. तो x प्लस y प्लस x माइनस y इक्वल्स टू 14 प्लस 4, माइनस y प्लस y कैंसल, 2x इक्वल्स टू 18, x equals to 18 by 2, that is equal to 9. X is 9. Now substituting x equals to 9 in 1. So क्या ये क्या हो जाएगा, x plus y equals to 14, 9 plus y equals to 14, y equals to 14 minus 9, ये हो जाएगा 5. तो y equals to 5 and x equals to 9. This will be the answer. This is elimination method. First of all, writing both the equations in standard form. Okay, minus 7 equals to 0. Let this be equation 1, this be equation 2. Okay. First of all, when we will do by substitution method, first we are doing by substitution method. Okay. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से हम x की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे. 3x equals to 5y plus 4, x equals to 5y plus 4 upon 3. We have obtained from 1, so we'll substitute
Ma'am,
in
minus
Yes.
No,
What
ma'am, nothing.
Okay. Now substituting in 2. It will be 9x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. This was the second equation. So 9 into 5y plus 4 upon 3 minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. So this and this cancel. 3 into 5y plus 4 minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. So 15y plus 12 minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. 15y minus 2y is 13y. 12 minus 7 is 5 equals to 0. So 13y equals to minus 5. Y equals to minus of 5 by 13. This is the value of y. We'll find the value of x now. We have seen, हमने जो substitute किया था x equals to 5y plus 4 upon 3. यहाँ पे y substitute कर देंगे. 5 into minus 5 by 13 plus 4 upon 3. तो ये हो जाएगा minus of 25 upon 13 plus 4 upon 3. और it will be minus of 25 plus 4 into 13 upon 3. So it is minus 25 plus 4 3s are 12. 152 upon 3. So this will be equal to 27 by 3. Okay, 13 will also come, sorry. Into 13. Okay. So into 3. So this will be equal to 9 by 13. Okay. So x is 9 upon 13. These are the answers. Okay. This we have done by substitution method. Other method is elimination method. So next we are going to do it by this elimination method. Now for elimination, by elimination method, same question. What we have to do here is we have to make their coefficients same. तो एक में coefficient था 3x और एक में 9x. So multiplying equation 1 by 3. जब उसको equation 1 को 3 से multiply करेंगे ये हो जाएगा 9x minus 15y minus 12 equals to 0. 9x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. Now we'll subtract. So for subtraction we'll be changing signs. That is equal to minus 13y minus 5 equals to 0. So y equals to minus of 5 by 13. And when we will substitute this, similarly substituting in 1, we'll get x equals to 9 upon 13. Okay. So this meeting is going to end. Let us reconnect and then I'll explain again this question.